So we're just here at a BA 2004 Ford ignition, and what's happened is the switch has come off the back. So let's just have a look at this steering column. So just managed to be able to put the key switch back together. Now with this actual die cast housing, it actually had quite a lot of material left around there. It wasn't damaged or anything like that. So just with a screwdriver and a pin punch, I was able to put the switch back, and it's panned over quite a lot in the 4 spots that it is, and I actually gave a little bit of a tap that way. So that's about it. I shall plug it in and turn on the car.